Just one day left, and this is how it begins. The prep is on for Drone Expo 2026, and its doors open tomorrow, only for you. This is where we will be hosting innovators, emerging startups, live technologies, and opportunities galore. And this is your moment. You can't miss this. Join us for Drone Expo on the 17th and 18th of April at Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, Hall number 1. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Register today.